DJI Air 2S. Zoom, zoom. Let's check it out. Coming up next. Bill, the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Air 2S has pretty much been the talk of the town lately because of all of its tremendous capabilities, and a lot of people are calling it a Mavic 2 Pro killer. Well, today we went and we tried the zoom feature. Now what I'm going to do is we'll go ahead and throw a graphic up on the screen here. These are what you can use zoom on, and the one thing you can't do it with 5.4K. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, we're up at our new location today. We're going to be testing out the zoom on the DJI Air 2S. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this guy in the air.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And I've adjusted it to feet instead of metric, so we're having a beautiful day here. Right around at about 120 feet. What I'm going to do, we're going to go to the edge of the park here, if you want to call it that, and then I'm going to turn it around and we're going to do some zooming of me and the truck, and let's see how that all works out. So about 32 miles an hour in normal mode. That's pretty doggone fast. Okay, we are there. Let's go ahead and spin this around. And go ahead and hit record. Try that again. Okay, we hit record. Now you hit the function button in the thumb wheel, and let's go ahead and point the gimbal down just a little bit here, and let's kind of see what we get. I'm going to do this a little slowly here. There we go. There's the truck. There's yours truly right there. All right, let's go ahead and back this out and take a look. The image is really sharp. Now this is 4K 30. Now remember, this won't work in 5.4K. So let's go ahead and back that off. We're just going to do it slow. Kind of give you a feel what it's like. Okay, we're there. All right, now I'm going to switch it to 1080p. So let's go ahead and stop recording. Let's go ahead, and I absolutely loved what DJI did with the app here. Let's do 1080p, 30 frames per second. Let's do here. Let's 1080p, 60 frames per second. So let's go ahead and try that here. Let's go ahead and start recording. All right, we're recording. Wow. This is very detailed. Look at this. Look at this. Let's go ahead and point that down just a little bit so you can see me. Or see my hand. Yeah, you can see my hand down there. Wow, that's from almost 800 feet away. That's pretty incredible here. And the detail on this image and with this is just absolutely fantastic. Now this is 1080p, 60 frames per second. And I wanted to give you I'm going to go ahead and back that out. That is pretty incredible there, folks. All right. Let's go ahead. We're going to do a return to home. Inland.
Go home.
I still got to adjust return to home altitude. It's set for like, I don't know. It's crazy. It's set for 329 feet. Okay. All right. But no, I think that this was a good test of the zoom. You could see now, and I'm going to go ahead and post a graphic of exactly what options you have with zoom with this. But I think this is very good. This is very, very good.
Landing.
And I absolutely love how quiet it is, because I didn't know it was here until it was just literally right on top of us. They did a great job with these quiet propellers and the ESCs, that's for sure. Looks like we're going to be spot on here. And notice the gimbal automatically adjusts to point downward when it's landing. I think that's a pretty cool feature. Let's go ahead and shut the recording off. And successful test of the zoom on the Air 2S. Question of the day. What do you think of the zoom feature on the DJI Air 2S? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, as always, it's a great day to fly. Take care.